Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
Epoxy tables, unique designs and durability for interior decoration. Epoxy tables are considered one of the most important modern trends in the world of interior decoration, as they are characterized by their aesthetically appealing design and innovative looks that attract attention. Here are some details about these tables and their uses. Features of epoxy tables. 1. Unique design. Epoxy tables are made using epoxy resin, which can be crafted into various shapes and colors. The surface of the table features a smooth and glossy finish, adding a contemporary and unique touch to any space. 2. Durability and strength. Epoxy resin is known for being a hard and strong material, which makes the tables resistant to scratches and wear. This means they can withstand daily use without easily getting damaged. 3. Aesthetic appeal. Epoxy resin can be combined with other materials like wood, giving the table a look that blends nature with modernity. The diverse colors and patterns allow for customization to suit different tastes. 4. Easy to clean. Epoxy tables are easy to maintain, as they can be wiped clean effortlessly and are not adversely affected by liquids if cleaned promptly. Uses of epoxy tables in decoration. 1. Living room decoration. Epoxy tables are used as focal points in living rooms and can complement various sofas and chairs to create a comfortable and stylish space. 2. Work desks. When used as desks, epoxy tables provide an attractive working environment that combines beauty and practicality. 3. Dining tables. They are an excellent choice for dining tables, adding a touch of elegance and luxury to the dining room. 4. Outdoor spaces. Some epoxy tables are designed to withstand weather conditions, making them suitable for use in gardens and patios. Tips for choosing an epoxy table. Choose colors and designs that match the room's decor. Check the quality of the materials used, especially the wood if supporter. Test the stability and sturdiness before purchasing. To ensure the table can withstand daily use. In summary, epoxy tables are not only beautiful decorative elements but also practical and durable, making them a valuable addition to any home. If you need further assistance or changes, feel free to ask. How to choose the right color for epoxy tables to match your home interior decor. Choosing the right color for epoxy tables is an important step to ensure they harmonize with the overall decor of the home. Here are some tips to help you make the right decision. 1. Determine the overall color schemes. Choose complementary colors. Start by identifying the dominant colors in the room. If there is a specific color palette, neutral tones, warm colors, or cool colors, try to select a table color that aligns with it. Use the color wheel. The color wheel can help you choose complementary or analogous colors to achieve visual balance. 2. Consider surrounding materials. Match the furniture. If you have wooden furniture, you might choose an epoxy table that blends warm wood tones with the resin's color, creating a good balance. Incorporate materials. If there are metal elements in the room, like lighting or accessories, consider selecting colors that go well with these elements. 3. Aesthetic elements. Table design and texture. Certain colors highlight design details better than others. Dark colors may be ideal for showcasing unique shapes and epoxy shades, while light colors can give a sense of openness. Trends in fashion. Keep an eye on modern decor trends. Some colors may become popular and add a contemporary touch to your home. 4. Space and lighting. Impact of lighting. Make sure to consider the direction of natural and artificial light in the area, as this can affect how the colors appear. Size of the space. In small spaces, light colors are preferred to give the impression of a larger area, while darker colors can add depth in larger spaces. 5. Personal color choices. Rely on personal taste. Choose colors that make you feel comfortable and reflect your personality. If you enjoy bright colors, you might use a bold red or vibrant blue, while neutral colors might suit more classic tastes. 6. Experimentation and verification. Test colors. You can use a sample of the epoxy or apply swatches on a similar surface to see how the color looks in the designated area. Check textures. Ensure that the look of the epoxy harmonizes with the other textures in the room, such as fabrics or patterns. By using these tips, you can choose the right color for epoxy tables to ensure they blend well and add appeal to your home decor. How to coordinate the right size of tables for room spaces. Coordinating the size of tables with room spaces is key to ensuring comfort and functionality within the areas. Here are some tips that can help you choose the right table size based on the room's size. 1. Assess the room size. Measure the area. Before purchasing the table, measure the available space in the room. Be sure to know the length, width, and height. Available space. Remember that there should be enough space for movement around the table. It is recommended to leave at least 90 centimeters, 3 feet, between the table and surrounding furniture. 2. Choose the right size for the table. Small tables. If the room is small or has bulky furniture, smaller or round tables might be the best option, as they facilitate traffic flow in the area. Large tables. In larger spaces, you can use bigger or rectangular tables that make the room feel complete and allow for hosting more friends and family. 3. Determine the table's use. Living rooms asterisk. If the table will be used as a dining area or as a desk, it's essential to choose a size that fits its purpose. Consider how many people will use the table regularly. Decorative purposes. If the table is for decorative use only, like a coffee table, determining its length and width is important to maintain aesthetic balance in the room. 4. Table height. Ensure the height of the table is appropriate when compared to the other furniture in the room. The height of a standard table ranges from 70 to 76 centimeters, 28 to 30 inches. Make sure the chairs used are compatible with the table's height. 5. Consider other elements. Lighting. Be sure to take into account the light sources. For instance, a table that will be used under a floor lamp needs a height that matches the lighting. Visual balance. Choose the table size according to the other furniture and the dimensions of the room. Ensure the table does not appear too small or too large compared to the overall size. 6. Test and implement. Experiment. You can mark the floor using tape to outline the proposed table dimensions. Observe how the space will look and consider movement around the table before making a purchase. By following these tips, you can effectively coordinate the size of tables with room spaces, facilitating movement and enhancing comfort and functionality within interior areas.
Good evening to all followers at Decor Pro 2.